हाय आप सभी को मेरा प्यार भरा नमस्कार। आज की वीडियो में हमारे साथ बैठे हैं एकलव्य और एकलव्य भाई अपनी पूरी जर्नी शेयर करने वाले हैं। भाई साहब की जीरो से हीरो कैसे हो गए हैं। अब आपको लग नहीं रहा होगा इनकी शक्ल देख के हीरो है, बट मैं शक्ल से हीरो की बात नहीं कर रहा हूँ। मैं स्पोकन इंग्लिश की दुनिया की बात कर रहा हूँ। जब ये ट्यूशन में आए इनका क्या क्या इनकी परफॉर्मेंस थी, इन्होंने क्या क्या सीखा, कैसे सीखा और कैसे इन्होंने मास्टर करी इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज को। आज के डेट में एकलव्य इज वन ऑफ द बेस्ट स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ इनसाइट अकेडमी इंग्लिश एंड आई कैन क्लेम इट। आई कैन गिव द गारंटी फॉर दिस। So today, just be ready, be seated, and be ready to watch this fantastic and fantabulous video that is going to hit you from the bottom of your heart. Do you know why? Because the journey that he is going to cover about himself will blow your mind and will make you feel ashamed of yourself that why still you are not able to speak in English even if you are 21 years old, 30 years old, 35 years old. So hello everyone, my name is Anurag Tiwari. Welcome to Inside Academy English. Today again with a new video. I'm sitting here proudly, and do let me know in the comment box what you are doing in your life. So one of my students Eklav is going to perform speaking, and now today he's gonna share his complete journey about spoken English. I'm not going to speak anything, I'm not going to talk about anything. I will just start the video, and rest of the video just and all the other part of the video he is going to cover. So please be seated and be calm. Now just observe the things, and after watching the video drop a comment in the comment box how they are performing, because your one comment matters a lot for me. We get motivated by that. So please do that. Hello sir, how have you been?
I have over the moon. Okay. Hello everyone, my name is Eklavya. First of all, I would like to say Anurag sir I would like to thank Anurag sir for giving me this golden opportunity for sitting here in the behalf of Inside Academy and tell about myself. So let's start. I have been learning English since for 8 months. Okay, my comes on the tuition. If I talk about our tuition, I learn in Inside Academy English, whose director and whose teacher is Anurag Tiwari, who are a fluent English speaker too, who teach me whole the chapter and who made me zero to hero. Okay, let's come on my studies. I am studying in sixth class, as you know. I have said that I am learning in sixth class in the Indian Public School. The Indian Public School. I love to learn English and science because I love to read English, learn stories, and when I find someone who is speaking in English, so I feel that I should also speak English. And in science, I would like to, as you know, I want to be a doctor, and for doctor, science is very important. Okay, in science I like uh, biology. Yeah, I like to know about our body. Our body is a human being's body have many things like skeleton system, many more. Okay, let's come on my family. I have my parents. First I want to talk about my father. My father's name is Mr. Pradeep Kumar Yadav, and he is a engineer in Honda company. He's a and uh, good and helping father. And if I talk about my mother, so my mother is a housewife who makes the house clear and patiently. And if I talk about my sister, she is little than me. She is younger than me, who is in second class, and he also she sorry she also studies very well like me. Okay, let's come on my hobbies and things about me. I like to read, as you know. I have said that I like English. I like science too. uh, okay, I like science.
Don't move yourself.
I like science too. I like to play cricket, and I like in offline. I like to play cricket, football, and racket, and etc. And in online, I like to play Free Fire, two-player game, and many more. Okay, for in free time, I like to do drawing. I have participate in whole activities of my schools, tuitions, and at home too. I like to do drawing, but not that much. And if there is a competition of anything in school, if I chosen in school, so I always go in competition. I have two medals. When I was in Vasudevan school, I got two medals. Okay, that's all about me. And let's come about our topic, zero to hero. Okay, when before 9 months, I was, I don't know, I was 10 year old. At that time, someone speaks English. At that time, I feel very bad. I am not able to understand.
Talk about the things only in past. Used to speak, and then I used to
Okay,
feel.
and then I used to feel bad. I was not able to speak. So at that time, if someone is speaking, so I smile and say nothing. And after that, after a few days, I think that I have to learn English. English is very important parts of life. If anyone wants to be successful, everyone have to learn English. Everyone has to learn English. Okay. Uh, and then sir, who is a Turak sir, who started academy, Insight Academy English. Then my mother says that if you want to speak English, if you want to learn English, so you should go in Insight Academy. It is in our street. So I came in Insight Academy English, and I feel in first day I feel nervous. Then sir says, sir, make me understand subject, verb, object, useful structures, and
Helping verb.
helping work. Yeah. And then sir and students of Insight Academy made me chapters. And when I done my first chapter, should I feel it is.
Felt.
I felt that it is very easy, but after some time, the new chapters came, useful structures. At that time, I feel that
felt.
I felt that I will not be able to speak English. I felt that it is very hard. It is very hard. But my mom said you should practice. If you practice, so will you can speak English. You can speak fluent English. So my mother make me practice, like my mother made me watch English movies, listen to English songs, and I also talk to my mother in English, and I also talk to me in front of mirror. Then after some months,
I felt.
I felt improved. I felt improved. At that time, I feel that I felt that I can speak English. So the difference between that, I was before 9 months.
9 months ago.
9 months ago, I was not able to speak any. I was hardly speak a sentence in English. And after some months ago in Insight Academy, when I was learning English, at that time I felt very improvement. So uh, it made me prom- proud. Yeah, confident. And sir started shooting video of me. At that time, in my first video, I was very nervous, very nervous. I think that how will I do, how would I do. So at that time I was feeling very nervous. And after in video, I was feeling that I am able to do, and sir is asking. Then I was thinking like 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minutes. Then I was saying, if at that time I was feeling that if I made a mistake, so everyone will see. And if my mother sees, so my mother scold me, and many more. And in after the video, I felt that it was very easy. uh, I shooted video in 5 to 10 minutes. 5 to 10 minutes. 5 to 10 minutes. Then then I made an useful structure that was very hard, and there sir made me converse if I have a doubt. So sir or other child who was learning English in Insight Academy, who made me clear the doubt. And when I have had a test at that time, I was really, if I will made so much wrongs, so many wrongs, so sir will beat me very brutally. As you know, sir beats very brutally, and I have I have got beaten many times by sir. Many times, not two to three times. Uh, First, two times for test, and one time for speaking English lowly, not fluently. Okay, and I made so many friends in Inside Academy, and I have my friend who make me come in this tuition, whose name is Ritvik. He started coming English tuition. Then my mom said you should also go to Inside Academy English. So I started learning English in Inside Academy English by my friend whose name is Ritvik. Okay, and I made, according to me, 5 to 6 video of me. And if I talk about my personal video, I have shooted 3 video, and this video is my 4th video, and I have shooted 5 to 6 videos, 5 to 6, sorry, uh, from where yesterday I have shooted 11 video, not personal, with everyone. So you can say that I have shooted 17 to 18 video, not personal, simple, with other Inside Academy students. Okay, let's come in on my friends. I have many friends. I don't know whole name. If I
Could you please talk about the people who face problem while learning English? They join tuition, but they just skip the tuition within next 2 months, 3 months, or 4 months. They feel that it is going to be very hard.
Yeah.
Or sir beats them. They are not able to understand. They are not able to pronounce the word. They are not able to utter a single word on their tongue. So, what problems do they face, and how to overcome all those problems? Would you like to talk about that? Because people are totally suffering from this, and they, to be very honest, I can honestly say you that 90% people of India are still not able to speak in English. Like, if I talk about the viewers, suppose this video gets 500 views, so only 50 will be able to speak in English. Okay, rest of 450 people will not be even able to utter a word. So this is a very proud moment for you as well as for me at the same time. So just talk about that problem and the solution of the
Okay,
problem.
there are many students who are not able to understand any word, anything, and many students came to this tuition who studied for 2 to 3 months, 4 months, and I have made them test, made them converse, and if I made them test, then they got beaten very brutally by sir. At that time, they feel, according to me, they feel, in my opinion, they feel that sir beat me, sir beats very brutally, so I should leave this tuition. I will join another tuition. And after leaving this tuition, they regret that I should
Not have left the tuition.
yeah, because after English is everything for be success. And if he or she go to the another tuition, as you know, Inside Academy tuition make a child properly understand by chapter useful structure. And if you go by to another institute and another tuition academy, so they used to they are used to teach only tenses, then verbs. They don't make the student understand properly. But in Inside Academy, chapter, the verb, the useful structure is a chapter that we are able to understand properly. And as in my tuition, every child is scared by me because I take tests very brutally. Like if I take test of anyone, so everyone gets scared. Iklavya will not take test of Iklavya will not take test of me.
Power of Eklavya.
So at that time I feel that I should not take test very brutally, but at that time my second mind said that you should take test brutally, because if you take test brutally, so the child will get a knowledge that I should
He
study.
will not get to know the real idea about himself.
Yeah, because the children according to me, many child I saw that they are able to speak English, but there are many things they are not able to. And I takes in test in converse, I take that point, and that I ask the at that time they are not able to understand. At that time, after that, they started, what is this, after the test, sir, they get very wrongs, they got very wrongs, so sir beaten beats
Beaten.
beaten sir,
Beat.
beat them. At that time, how did I this felt that how did I got get bitten by sir. So they started learning that he asked that this question, so he started to know about that question. Then they feel that I know that question, I should say that question after some time. If someone take test, so he is able to make English of that question, so that I make the converse or test hard. And you, and the next topic we should take like um, mm, yeah in we should talk about the tuition style to teach someone. Okay, so there is only one teacher in Inside Academy English who makes whole the child speak English alone. So it is very proud thing of sir that he is alone, and he is managing whole the child 50 to 60 student in a batch. Okay, and they we was talking about the style, so let's start style. Sir, make us understand very properly, like if we were there in another institute, I was going in another institute for 4 to 3 months, Bright Institute. I was not able to understand anything in Bright Institute. They
Don't name them. Okay, it was by mistake. Sorry. Don't name them. Just take an example. No
Okay.
problem. There are many bright institutes. We are not talking about that.
yeah
But
institute, that institute I was not able to understand. And when I come in this tuition Inside Academy English, I felt that I am able to understand, because take a verb, take a useful structure and make a chapter. And if there is a useful structure who is a small useful structure, one line useful structure,
we forget that.
yeah, we forget that.
But when we make a chapter for that,
Yeah,
then
so
it
we
just sets in our mind.
yeah sets in our mind that modals, as you know, modals is very easy chapter. Whole the institute to use it in a chapter: modal, should, can, will, could. But in Inside Academy, sir made it a chapter. Should is a chapter, can is a chapter, will is a chapter, could is a chapter, and many more. Okay, if
Now, like, would you like to talk about the best chapter of you? And
I was about to
yeah,
I was about to talk about it. My favorite chapter is present perfect continuous tense, past perfect continuous tense, and future perfect continuous tense. Both are equal, but the useful structures useful.
since and for.
Yeah, so, many child make
Many students are confused.
in that in which
Where to use since and where to use for.
yeah.
Don't move yourself. Yeah.
So I feel that if it is hardest chapter, but I like hardest. If we take X, so we will get good.
Will grow.
We will grow. Yeah. So I always ask many questions on present perfect continuous for being the person, the child, strong to good, be good, be speak
In
English
order to
fluent.
make him strong at the
Yeah.
subject.
Okay, so where was I? Yeah, and the baddest chapter, according to me, is
The worst chapter.
worst. The worst chapter is, according to me, should.
Okay. By the way, should is very useful.
Yeah, it is useful, but if it's not that much,
For
but
many people, it is their one of the favorites. Like they feel that it is
because it is
so
easy.
Yeah, it is so easy to understand, and it is the first chapter that you get used to using. So they feel that it's very easy. It's going to be very not that much tough that other chapters are.
So if you are not talking, if I apart from should, I would like to say that the worst chapter is useful structure, because I made the whole mistake on useful structure, many mistake of useful structure, but now I have learned that, so I don't.
That was the reason why I made useful structure as a chapter. Now we
Yeah.
don't read useful structure as a useful structure.
When I was not able to pronounce, when I was not able to see, like, say chapters like uh, के बजाय, के बजाय is
Instead of
instead of के बजाय, can you tell the, if you are not able to understand useful structure, so how can you say that के बजाय? What is के बजाय? What is के बजाय? If you have done the useful structure, so you can say that instead of. Instead of is के बजाय. And many useful structures are there in there that is very useful. That you also know that many people knows that useful structures known for it is very easy, जाना जाता है.
like useful structures play the crucial role
Yeah.
in spoken English, and it is not only limited. When I teach you a chapter, I tell you everything step by step. I tell you that this chapter is a chapter and this is a topic. It means this chapter can be used with other chapters.
Yeah.
So I give you the whole scenario of English. I don't just make the things mug up you. I don't just tell you that this is something, just mug up this and just keep speaking, keep using it. No. I tell you how to make sentences on your own. That is my agenda.
Yeah.
I make you capable of translating sentences on your own. So that if you find any question in your mind, so you should not get stuck. Instead, you should just start converting that sentence from Hindi to English effectively without any problem.
So that is for this thing I joined this tuition. And if I talk about my favorite rule in this tuition was, it's not now, but it was on Saturday we have to do speaking, but now we are not doing. I don't know why.
No. There is a basic reason for this, because the students are totally new to us and they are not that much able to speak in English. So that's why we don't follow that rule. But now, you know what? I just started this startup. Okay, this is my dream to become successful in this field. So I started this tuition with a view to teaching everybody, with a view to making everyone capable of speaking English and understanding English. So today I have my own result. Now you are shooting your video now.
Yeah.
I can proudly say that I taught you each and everything. Whatever wrong or correct or incorrect, the words that you are uttering, the words that you are using, even if it doesn't matter to me that you are speaking wrong, not at all. Today you spoke incorrect, I will make you correct in another video,
Yeah.
on another day. So I can proudly say that you are my student. Can't I say?
Yeah.
I can say now.
Yeah.
That's the thing that I was suffering for. I was looking for this result. Now, like you, I have, you can say, two digit numbers of students. I can proudly say that I have approx 30 to 35 students who are capable of speaking English fluently, and I made them speak fluent. I taught them each and everything. I have witnessed them closely that how they are going. So this is the moment where a teacher feels, you can say, very proud on himself, at the same time on his children, that they are performing well in their life. So now I have performances like you. Now I will start so many things here, like the things and the quality of education that I'm going to provide to all of you day by day. First of all, let me make something clear that I don't have any background of English. Okay, I used to work as an engineer, so I don't have any background of English. I'm a software engineer. So the day I got indulged in this field. Now I'm in the habit of keeping improving myself. I keep improving myself. I keep learning the things. I keep doing the things. I still study. I still try to, you can say, fix the problem. There is no fixed way. It's not like a single path that you just follow and you just keep going. No, not at all. When I need that, I need to print some booklet out, I get it printed. When I need that, I need to get something else printed, I get it printed. When I think that I need to shoot a video, I get the video shoot. I don't lose my hopes and I don't lose my desires. And you can just simply watch. It is going to be 1 year, 1.5 year, approx 1.5 year, and I have uploaded approx 500 videos on my channel on my own. I have recorded the video, I have edited the video, I have made the thumbnails on my own. Nobody helped me, but I was always sure of the fact that one day, my results will come and they will make the launch. They will make the noise, they will hit you, and from the bottom of your heart, inwardly, you must be thinking, what the hell this man has made on this channel. So I'm here for that reason. Yeah, please keep going. Sorry for that.
Yeah, I am able to understand your feeling. Like anyone, any child do make a project that every child is able to make a project if he make a project. So if he is working, it is working. So he started being proud on it. Ki I have
Yeah,
made
I
a
made it. I made it. I'm very happy for that.
yeah, and you have made it a child, a person, and of many child who is speaking English. It's a very proud
What could
thing.
be the more happier moment for me, like that today you are speaking with me in front of me. I can probably say to others that yeah, he's one of my students. I thought them. Wherever I will meet you, wherever you will see me, you will give respect to me. Your family will always respect me. They will remember me. Okay, so today or tomorrow they are going to meet me. They are going to respect me. They are going to treat me like a teacher, a respected man. This is the thing that I want in my life. I
Yeah,
want to, you can say, go beyond imagination. I want people should be wonderfully capable of speaking English flawlessly.
okay. Yeah. I want to learn English because I am studying in the Indian public school. That in the Indian public school we have to speak in English. In before 9 months
9 months ago,
9 months ago, I was not able to speak, but I was able to understand because my mom made me understand how to understand English, but I was not able to speak English. By coming here, I am able to speak English with my friends, with my teachers in the Indian public school. First of all, I thank you for make me speak English.
okay, it was a nice talk to you, and
Yeah,
it was a great moment with you today. We talked about a lot of things, and if we continue, so there will be no end of the video. But for the time being, we need to end this video because it is going to be a very long video.
yeah,
People are not going to watch it. But these videos are not for people. These videos are absolutely for the person who is sitting in front of me. These videos are for me. These videos are for my Inside Academians. Okay, it doesn't matter for me whether you are watching the video or not. If it had mattered, na, I would not have recorded 560 videos or 500 videos. Okay, so when I record video, I upload video, I assume that my children, my students will watch it. And if all my students do not watch it, it means the one who is sitting here, at least he will watch it. At least he will get improved himself. At least he will improve himself. So this also matters for me. With this regard, I say you a goodbye and I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning, keep exploring. If you want to learn English, if you want to speak English, start learning it. Don't just wait for the right date, right moment, and right day. Just go for learning it. Start it right now. And if you don't know how to start, message me on 99534 21447. We will be connected very soon.